Hello students, this is the last lecture of economics chapter development. In this video, we will talk about public facilities and sustainability of development. Students, all the goods and services that you may need to live well cannot buy from money. So we can say that money cannot buy everything, like pollution-free environment or respect. Students, there are many things or goods and services that we are able to use because others in our community wants to access that goods and services. For example, suppose in a village one child wants to go school. Will he able to go school? If in his village there is no school, then he cannot go school. If his parents cannot send him in city, then he can't go to school. But students, in the same situation, many children wants to go school. Then government or any other private owner will construct a school in village for the children. So you are actually able to study because many other children also wants to study. But students, in India, there are many places where children wants to go to school, especially girls, but they are not able to go to school because the government has not provided adequate facilities over there. Kerala has a low infant mortality rate because it has adequate provision of basic health and educational facilities. Similarly, in some areas, PDS, full form of it is Public Distribution System, functions well. People do not face food shortage problem when PDS shops work in a fair manner. Instances of starvation and health problems will not occur in India. Health and educational indicators have come to be widely used along with income as a measure of development. Considering these indicators, UNDP, United Nations Development Programme, prepares a Human Development Report, in short HDI, on the basis of per capita income, educational level of people, and health status of people, which is measured by life expectancy. Let us examine table 1.6. Isn't it surprising that a small country in our neighborhood, Sri Lanka, is much ahead of India in every aspect, and a big country like India has such a low rank in world? This table also shows that Nepal and Bangladesh has low per capita income than India, yet their life expectancy is better than India. Many improvements have been suggested in calculating HDI, and it has made it very clear that what is important in development is what is happening to citizens of a country. Students, it is people, their health, their well being that is most important. Now, the last topic is sustainability of development. It is the efficient utilization of resources not only for present but for future generation also. That is known as sustainable development. Students, groundwater is an example of renewable resource, as in case of crops and plants. If we use more than what is being renewed by rain, then we would be overusing this resource. Non-renewable resources get exhausted after few years. We have a fixed stock on earth which cannot be replenished or renewed. We do discover new resources that we did not know of earlier because this is the need of our new resources in this way add to the stock. Consequences of environmental degradation do not respect national or state boundaries, and this issue is no longer a nation specific. Our future is linked together. In general, the question of development is everlasting. As individuals, we need to ask where we want to go, what we wish to become, and what our goals are. So, the debate on development continues. This was all about chapter development. Thank you.